Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to restore and recover accidentally deleted Windows 11, 10 EFI boot partition. Boot with Windows Bootable CD or USB. Click Repair your computer. Click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Star under GPT indicates the partition type is EFI or GPT, type cell space, disk 0. Type list space, vol, there is no boot volume. Type list space, part, there is no boot partition. Type create space, part space, EFI space, size equal to 1024. Partition 3 is selected. Type format space, fs equal to FAT32 space, quick. Type assign space, letter equal to M. Find your Windows installed drive, in my case Windows installed drive is C. bcd boot space, c colon / windows space, /s space, m colon space, /f space, uefi. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.